Hi, my name is Hammond, and I'll be showing you uh, my Python 1 presentation. So, my idea was to make like a um, a burger thing, and to make different parts of a burger. And it was inspired by like a burger making restaurant, like pretty much any burger making restaurant, and Um, the reason I decided to stick with this plan was because I thought it would be like kind of hard to code with all the turtle. Um, I learned during class, I learned about turtle and if-else code, which I used in my project. Um, my code is supposed to draw some food for whoever is on the code. It's supposed to draw some food. And the code will use if else, and for the if else part, the code will use the if else code in case you want one food or another food. This is an example of one of the codes. So this code will draw a patty, and hi is the input variable. And same with this one over here. The code will draw a tomato, and again, hi is the input variable. And now I'm gonna show you a demonstration of my code. Uh, so like this. So I'll click run, and and then here it'll say I have a choice between patties, cheese, tomatoes, lettuce, or burger buns. And if I don't want anything, I can just say no thanks. And cheese would show this drawn cheese slice. And if I do a patty and if I do a patty and I run it, then it will have a patty, which is kind of blocky, but anyway, and then I can have some tomatoes, which will also make a blocky tomato, but um and then the and then you can also make some lettuce, which will have a thinner um green block of lettuce. And lastly, you can have a burger bun, which will have a burger bun with some sesame seeds around. And if I don't want anything, then I can write no thanks, and oh yeah, I can do no thanks, and I will get this message. And if I write something random, then I'll get invalid response because that is not any of the choices that I have. Back to here. My favorite part on this project was the turtle, and the reason for that is because the turtle was the majority of the project, but it was also kind of challenging to do. I could have improved on multiple things, but mainly I could have made more detailed turtle drawings and like not make everything as blocky. And I could also make more variations of food. One way I can make everything less blocky is just like make them rounder and less choppy, so I wouldn't have like a block or a block that was in like the lettuce and the tomatoes. And yeah, thank you.